In some yards, the second you step outside, you feel calm. And the more time you spend in the space, the more relaxed you get. And in today's hectic world, this is something that so many of our clients want to capture in their yards. That way, whenever they return from work, whenever they return from being away, as soon as they open the door into their backyard space, they're immediately welcomed by a complete sense of calm. So how can you actually achieve this? Is this something that's just random and haphazard, or are there clear, specific principles you can implement in your design to achieve this for your space? Here's what you need to know about creating calm in your yard. So the first principle to remember is restraint. This means really being super intentional about all the design choices you make. Starting with plants, you want to make sure that you don't have an abundance of really too many plants and also not even too many species. You want to stick between 3 to 5 and just make sure that everything really has a reason for existing and that nothing is screaming for attention. You then take the same principle, apply it to the hardscape materials you choose, make sure that the colors are more muted, there's nothing that's going to be clashing with one another, and even the items that you choose to put in the yard, making sure that there's not a single one that is just overly dramatic or loud. The second principle, and this one is so important and often overlooked, and that is the sound of water. Now, we do talk about this a lot with all of our clients at Foxterra. A lot of our clients do like to have some water sound in the background, but it's very important, first of all, that you make sure that it's a certain volume. Anything that's falling from a height of, I would say honestly, more than 3 feet is gonna have a bit of a crashing sound to it, where if you have a huge space, it doesn't really bother you. But let's say we're really focusing on creating a calm zen-like space, you really have to make sure you choose a water feature that has that trickling sound. So a trickling sound is achieved whenever water is kind of hugging a surface as it slides down. It's never gushing out of a scupper and hitting another surface. It's always trickling down. But the most important thing to remember is that the water volume has to be very low. It's really gonna help you capture that peaceful feeling. Because at the end of the day, you almost want it to be like this ambient white noise where when you're not paying attention, you may not even hear it, but it is something that subconsciously adds so much tranquility, just that peaceful feeling that we're trying to achieve. So the third principle to remember is intentional flow and clear sight lines. So you need to be really, really purposeful to achieve a sense of tranquility in your yard, because it's very easy for your yard to be overwhelmed. Just keep everything as open as possible. If creating a calmer outdoor space is your goal, make sure to subscribe. We share design advice to help you get started on your yard and inspiration from finished yard chores as well. And I have one bonus tip about achieving a sense of peace in your yard, and that is if you have a very tight budget where you really can't budge above a certain number and you want to achieve this, I have good news for you. These are actually the most budget-friendly spaces you can create, because there's a sense of minimalism that runs throughout them. We don't add a lot of bells and whistles to these type of yards. So I would say for anyone, if you really are caring more about the feeling that you have in the yard, and it can be beautiful and it can still have the wow factor in an understated way, but just remember that these peaceful, zen-like spaces can actually be the most budget-friendly out of kind of all the design types of yard that you could have. If you want to create an outdoor space that feels calm, you need to start with the right design. And our team would love to help you create the immersive space that you wanted. Click the link below to schedule a free intro call with our team to get started. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, watch this one next that YouTube is recommending just for you.